securing Azure virtual networks is like setting up a fortress. You are the architect tasked with ensuring that every gate and pathway is impenetrable except for the ones you choose for entry. Let's dive into how you can use network security groups and Azure Firewall to safeguard your Azure virtual networks. When I walk into a new project, I like to get the lay of the land, understanding what's already in place. I start by mapping out the virtual network's structure, identifying which resources need to protect and the traffic flow. My first tool: NSGs. They are the gatekeepers that we deploy at the subnet level within each virtual network. They examine the incoming, outgoing, and internal traffic, assessing it based on rules we set. Now, NSGs are pretty basic. Think of them as the first defense fence. They are great for granular control, allowing me to define which traffic is allowed to enter or exit a specific virtual network subnet. The rules can be as simple as allowing HTTP traffic or as complex as restricting access based on IP or even geolocation. I always say, give me precise control without unnecessary complexity. It means setting up rules to allow common traffic and blocking everything else until proven safe. Simple doesn't always mean weak, right? The beauty of working with my team is collaboration. Everyone takes a piece of the puzzle and knows their role in securing our Azure environment. I make sure there's a continuous feedback loop so anyone making updates understands the potential security implications. This is a team sport, after all. Moving on from NSGs, Azure Firewall is like the King's Guard. It's more than just another security measure. It's an essential policy enforcement mechanism that integrates seamlessly with NSGs, but it's better at enforcing network policies across multiple subnets and supports direct communication between them, VNet-to-VNet connections if you will. Azure Firewall doesn't just block when it needs to. It also provides login.